What's good, my people? What's really good? Today, we got bluebird skies. The weather's nice. I do not know what the temperature is, to be honest with you, but it feels like it's in the 70s at least. I would say that. It ain't too hot out there. But we're going to a hidden pond. I have Ace Boon Koo, who's going to accompany me back here. We're walking back into the woods a little bit. So now, good. Now, I have fished this pond before. Let me get myself together before I finish cluing y'all in. Gotta lock this gate. Don't want the horses to get out. There we go. Now, I have fished this pond back before, but it's been a long time since I really fished it. And I fished it back when, you know, I pretty much kind of started the channel. It was actually one of the first videos that I did. And I caught a couple. It really wasn't nothing special. Oh, look at that. You got a family of geese. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're like 5 baby geese, I'm sorry, out here with them. If that's the case, then one of them, I think a bass might have ate one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Hold on. They didn't. So that's the family of geese that's in OG's pond. And you know, me and Pop's been, you know what I'm saying, kind of having a little stare down because, you know, for me to come out and walk around in the yard, he kind of get a little crazy. But any case, we're gonna track through these woods real quick, looking out for snakes. Also, one other thing, it is snake weather, so, you know, be careful out there while you're fishing. You got moccasins and everything else out there that's really looking, you know what I'm saying, to get at your ankles a little bit. So, you know, be careful out there and just have fun fishing. So we're gonna get over here to this hidden pond, and hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we can get this money. You know what I'm saying? We can eat on them a little bit, put it to them. Stay tuned. We on the way. Not like that, I won't. That was a pretty straightforward cast. Not yet. Are you serious? Something did get my bait. Something got my bait and I didn't even feel it. But that's because of this grass that I'm swimming through. So something got me. Look at that. And he ripped me clean. But luckily, I brought a little bit more with me. Let's get back out there because, you know, he actually daggum raped me, and I didn't like that. Okay, I ain't liking this where they just jumping around me like that. I really need to be in the boat out here, and I'm just gathering grass on the bottom. This is crazy. What thing? All right. Huh? I got one in the pocket, but I got to put the weight on there. All right, let me get it in. All right. I shall be back. Let me get a spoon cool set up. All right. OG, not OG. Ace Boon Cool is running the Texas rig now. Oh, oh, he hit me right at the edge. Oh, he hit me at the edge. He must have been following that in, but he caught me at the edge. So, I got the first bite, but I didn't land him. So the monkey's still on our back. One of us has got to get something. Ace Boon Cool. But I always notice when it comes to fishing with Ace Boon Cool, she always get the first bite. And then it's like I begin to show out on her then after that. But I'm gonna have to get me a slender drop shot weight. I really am. This color might not be the color, but I did get a bite. They're just jumping all around, but they ain't trying to bite. Look at this mess. You tangled at the top? Hold on. This is a grassy behind pond. This is a grassy pond. Let me see. This is a pitching area here. What in the world? How did I do that? That had to be the most backwards pitch I ever did in my life. It went over the tree limb and behind me. I've never pitched that way. Okay. I know we're not trying to take an L at this pond, to be honest with you. We're really not. I'm gonna try one more thing. Here. If I can't get bit on that, then I know I'm gonna end up taking an L at this pond. We're gonna trade out our weightless Cinco or lunker log for a fluke. Hold on a second. While I'm back here, but you know. I'm around here. All right. Let's pitch it. You would think in this little area right here, I would have gotten more bites. But as it stands right now, I'm getting nothing. Gotcha. Yes. All right, hold on, little fella. You're all right. You are okay. Hold on. I gotta get the hook at you. As soon as I can find out where it is. Okay. There we go. Well, I wasn't skunked. Oh, and you're bleeding a little bit. Let's go ahead and get you back in the water. All right, fella. We'll go ahead and get you back in the water. Whew. Well, I didn't get skunked. I'm glad about that. At least I didn't get skunked. So toss it on the edge of the grass, right off of that point that the grass makes. And really, like the minute he dropped it in there, well, the minute I pitched it in, he kind of thumped it and let it go. Oh, dropped my hat. He thumped it and let it go, but I shook it a little bit, and he came back and got it, and he ran with it. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to get Ace Boone Koo can cast over here, but we're gonna find out. Yo, Ace, come on over here and try. Now I know I'm not going back to the Guggen bait, but I'm kind of experimenting right now. I'm experimenting on if that was just the luck of the draw, or was that a color thing? So I'm looking to find that out. And I'm tangled up top. I apologize. My battery died. So let's try to get back over there where we were at. It takes a little work. You'll get it. I think that was a fry garter that I had snagged up. Looks like there's a bunch of fry really running. And I think that was a fry garter that I snagged. It might have been the color. This video is gonna be mostly about picking off grass, to be all honest with you. Let me step over here to this side. Gotcha. Oh, I'm in the tree.
Come on, what you got? No, I don't. I can't fish like that.
The shaky head is not a hard thing to fish, Ace. It really isn't. Let's see. And I got you in the roof of the mouth. You weren't going nowhere. Oh man, I got you all the way in the roof. Let's see if I can get this out of you without harming you. I might have to push on through and retie it. Yep. I'm gonna have to do that. There's that fella right there. Nice dark color. Whew. Alrighty. All right, thank you there. All right. So that was 2 for the day. At least we ain't getting skunked. At least we ain't getting skunked. How I hooked that fish. Oh man, I might have messed up. Fishing trip might be over because I don't have any more hooks. Yep, fishing trip over. Dang. Yep, fishing trip over with. Well, just as soon as I figured them out, I do a pour cast and I break off. Those are the breaks sometimes. Especially when you can't bring all your tackle with you. Well, on to the house we go. Well, those are the breaks. I mean, you start to figure them out. You don't bring too much gear, and then you snag on a limb and break off, not have no other hooks or nothing like that with you because you had to walk through the woods to get to it. But you know, those are the ropes. It happens like that. At least I didn't get skunked. And at least, you know, I was able to get out there, got back safely. But all in all, I had a good time. But don't forget to subscribe, mainly like, and hit that notification bell. We are on our way to 100 subscribers. Hopefully, and that we can get there by the end of the month. which is April right now. When you see this video, it's probably gonna be in May. But hopefully we can get there by then. Yeah, that'd be a goal of mine. My true goal is actually to be at 10,000 by October. That's my true goal. But you know what I'm saying, by the end of my birth month, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna try to do 100 subscribers. But again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else that you would like to see, know, or learn. Veteranbassin, we love you out there. Stay up. 1.